A pond of clear water appears less deep than it really is. This is due to reflection, the transparency of water, dispersion. Option A, refraction. Stars appears to move from east to west because all stars move from east to west. The earth rotates from west to east. The earth rotates from east to west. The background of the stars move from west to east. Option B, the earth rotates from west to east. Convex lenses are used for the correction of long-sightedness, short-sightedness, cataract. None of these. Option A, long-sightedness. Red light is used in traffic signals because it has the longest wavelength, it is beautiful, it is visible to people even with bad eyesight. None of this. Option A, it has the longest wavelength. Pencil lead is made up of lead oxide, charcoal, graphite, lamp black. Option C, graphite. Solar cell converts light energy into heat energy, solar energy into electrical energy, solar energy into sound energy, solar energy into heat energy. Option B, solar energy into electrical energy. The image formed on the retina of the eye is real and inverted, upright and real, virtual and upright, enlarged and real. Option A, real and inverted. The oil in the wick of a lamp rises up due to pressure difference, low viscosity of oil, capillary action, gravitational force. Option C, capillary action. Rectifiers are used to convert direct current to alternating current to direct current, high voltage to low voltage to high voltage. Option B, alternating current to direct current. Magnetism at the center of a bar magnet is minimum, maximum, zero, minimum or maximum. Option C, 0. Intensity of sound at a point is dash its distance from the source, directly proportional to, inversely proportional to, directly proportional to, square of, inversely proportional to square of. Answer D, inversely proportional to square of. Oil rise up the wick in a lamp. The principle involves the diffusion of oil through the wick, the liquid state of oil, capillary action phenomenon, volatility of oil. Option C, capillary action phenomenon. Out of the following pairs, which one does not have identical dimension? Moment of inertia and moment of a force, work and torque, angular momentum and Planck's constant, impulse and momentum. Option A, moment of inertia and moment of a force. On a stationary sailboat, air is blown from a fan attached to the boat. The boat moves in opposite direction in which the air is blown, does not move, moves in the same direction in which air blows, spins around. Option B, does not move. Identify the vector quantity from the following: heat, angular momentum, time, work. Option B, angular momentum.